Comes with extra of these wiping pads.
Several decades ago, Takara AUTOMEE introduced the SO-G household robot, whose objective was to keep your desk clean. Didn't do much, wasn't very functional, but it did run around on your desktop and sweep it for you. Giving rebirth to the same concept, at the Tokyo Gift Show this week, they introduced the AUTOMEE-S, a cute little robot that cleans the screens for your smart devices, smartphones, iPads, tablets. Battery operated, the robot is completely self-contained, including edge detection sensors. It's only about 70 millimeters in diameter and weighs 82 grams.
Pads on the bottom. I'm going to turn it off so you can see. And within the package, it comes with extra of these wiping pads, so you can replace them. And it just goes about its business, and it gets to the edge, it automatically turns, and they say within a few minutes it will clean your screen for you very well, automatically.
The robot will be released in Japan in mid-March. It'll be in 4 colors: orange, white, pink, and blue. The manufacturer's suggested list price is 1575 yen, but you can be sure that the toy stores and department stores will discount that heavily. Check out the robot's webpage on the Takara AUTOMEE /products website.